Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review this Dr. Said's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. So it's winters and I thought to give this product a big shout out from my side because this is so good, you guys. If you are a dry skin type and if you have those dry patches which you have never get rid of, please definitely try this. Check this product because it is going to change your like skin texture. Like it is definitely going to reduce your dullness and like those dark patches, the ugly patches that causes in winter season especially. So this is the product, and it is an Indian brand, you guys. It's so good from my side. So this is the doctor says like haldi and hyaluronic acid sleeping mask. So it is a 30-gram bottle which is available on Nykaa and Amazon, and this bottle retails for rupees 850 on Nykaa, and it is available on Amazon as well if you want to check this out. And its texture is so runny, and this opens like this. It has got a nice golden cap, and it is a very good like bottle to travel with either, and it is very much like travel friendly, and it has got a spatula. If you open that, you can actually see the product. So this is the product. Its consistency is so runny. As you can see, it has got some yellow dots inside it, which is mostly the haldi part, and the rest is so good. And the haldi inside it helps to like um, uh, reduce the inflammation and reduce the acne, which is haldi is very famous for reducing the acne. So and the hyaluronic acid is really very good to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, which is like when you keep it overall. Along with those two, you contain so many other ingredients like vitamin E. It contains vitamin E and lavender oil, and the lavender oil is mainly meant for this calming effect on the face, and which is so good, you guys. And in winters you definitely have to check this product out because this is so good, and it's so good and it's so nice. It makes your skin so supple. And how to use this product is that you can, at the night time, you can go with your night regime, whatever cream you want to apply, like moisturizer and all you can apply. And then when you are going to bed, you can apply this as a thin layer and leave it overnight and wash it in the morning, and then you will be left with a good supple and so much hydrated skin. Trust me on that note. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon next one. Bye bye.